Okay, look what I got today. This is from Braecn or Braecn. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. B-R-A-E-C-N. Anyway, this is a protective shell, shockproof case for my Amazon HD10 tablet. Okay, it comes, there's an adjustable strap, there's some instruction papers, there's a little, maybe it looks like a cleaning cloth to clean your screen. Anyway, the main thing is this protective case for your Fire HD10. It has got a silicone outer shell. It has a rotating kickstand, 360 degrees, so you can use it in landscape or portrait position. Anyway, let's see how to put this thing together. They say to remove 8 clips, and I think by what they mean are 8 clips on each side. There's 2 little clips. So let's just pull those off. Easy enough. Okay, so when you do that, you have a little plastic frame. Then it says to remove the rubberized or silicone outer shell. And just peel that off. And that exposes this harder inner shell. Okay? So, let's get the Amazon Fire tablet out. Here's my Amazon Fire tablet. And everything will line up. This has holes for the speaker. So you want to get your speaker holes lined up to go into the shell. So it will go this way. Okay? Then the outer shell goes on, and the outer shell also, make sure the openings for the speaker line up with the openings for the speaker here. Okay, so let's just put this on. You just have to work this around the 4 sides of the tablet. Okay. Okay, then you want to make sure everything is nice and seated all the way around. Okay. Speakers line up. Power button, headphone jack, USB port, power button. That's the volume buttons. Okay, so now the outer frame goes on, and make sure the top hole lines up with the top where your camera will be, and then just go around and snap the 8 pieces or 8 clips all back in. Everything fits nice, tight. Okay, that is it. Now you have a protective case for your Fire HD10 tablet. This is a extremely nice case. Now let me say one thing. There is not a screen protector. This does not have screen protection. You really don't need it because this has a raised lip on all 4 corners. So when you lay it down flat, it's fine. It's not touching the screen. And Amazon screen is pretty hard. It's not like a Apple iPod or pad or whatever you call those things. This has got a really hard, nice screen. So if you want to put a screen protector on, you can, but this does not come with one. The kickstand, let's see, this has got the Velcro adjustable hand strap, so if you want to put it in your hand and you work on your tablet and hold it. That's a really nice feature, so you won't drop it. And then there is this rotating kickstand that pops out, and get that little flap in there to click, and it will sit in the landscape position this way, or you can actually turn it this way and you will get a better angle. And it rotates 360 degrees, so you can put it anywhere you want. And if you want it in the portrait position, you could get it either at two different angles. Now let me say, when you put it in portrait position, you get it lined up smooth, there's a little interference with this strap. There's one on either end, and that is to attach this longer strap. If you want to use this to carry it as a purse or hang it around your neck and work with it typing at your waist level, or hang it around a headrest in your car, that is what this strap is for. And it's very easy. Has these little snap-in connectors. And if you don't need this, you can remove these little end pieces. And if you remove them, then, and you really only need to remove one, then you could put this in the portrait position and it's going to sit very nice. But it's just a little bit in the way, but if you move it out of the way or remove it, it'll be fine. And they provide you with this little bitty, I don't know, like a screwdriver punch tool, and if you remove the strap, there's a very tight little hole in this silicone outer shell, and you would use this little tool to help get your strap back in the hole. So that's a very nice little thing that they provide if you want to remove your little straps. But anyway, this is a really nice protective cover. Oh, and it's, it's got the hole in the back for your camera, and in the front, everything lines up perfectly. It does not have an access point for your SD card, and most people put the SD card in and don't remove it. If you need to remove it, you would have to remove the entire shell. It's not that big of a deal, okay? And it's a little heavy, but let me tell you, if you went out in the wintertime and you put on an overcoat to protect yourself, it's going to be heavy. You're protecting your tablet, so it's a trade-off, and it's not that heavy. Anyway, that's it. It's a really nice protective case, 360-degree rotatable kickstand. You've got your adjustable hand strap, and you've got your long cord. I'm not putting that on. And that's it. So it's a very nice Braecn, I don't know. Anyway, B-R-A-E-C-N for your Fire HD10 tablet. Very nice. Get one.